All right. So question 2 says, Paula says that 2 times 3 minus 2 times 5 is equal to minus 4. Steve says the answer is 10. Who is right and why? For you to know who is right and why, you have to carry out the order of operations. Use the order of operations to see if Paula or Steven is right. Okay, so let's carry out the operation. That 2 times 3 minus 2 times 5 is equal to minus 4. Remember your BODMAS? First thing to do is to identify the operations that are there. We have that of multiplication, subtraction, another multiplication. So we have multiplication and subtraction. So you first of all carry out the operation of multiplication, and I'm going to put it in brackets. That is to say 2 times 3 minus 2 times 5 is equal to minus 4. What is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2 times 5 is 10. Is it equal to minus 4? Let's see. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 10 is equals to minus 4. So minus 4 is equal to minus 4. So the person who gave us the answer as minus 4 is said to be correct. Now, Paula is said to be right, okay? And why? Because he or she, Paula, followed the order of operation. Let's see why Steve is wrong, how he manipulated the expression to get 10. Okay, so it's possible that what Steve did was to follow the operations as they appear. Let's see if that's what he actually did. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 times 5. 6 minus 2 will give you 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. So definitely Paula, Steve is wrong, while Paula is correct. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher Maths. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. While I recommend you use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. Let's take more example. All right, let's confirm our answer. Paula is correct. Multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So 2 times 3 minus 2 times 5 is equal to 6 minus 10, which is equal to minus 4.